everyone, welcome to my K&K page. This is your girl Maya, and today I wanted to do a copycat recipe. The recipe is actually coming from a diner in West Philly, and they make shrimp and grits, but they use obey instead of like making a sauce for the shrimp and grits, which I thought was kind of interesting because every time I do shrimp and grits, I always make a sauce, or anytime I've ordered shrimp and grits, it always came with some type of sauce. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and copycat that. I pulled a lot of their ingredients from my taste buds because I love shrimp and grits, and I was like, okay, I see how they made that. So I'm going to tweak it a little bit, but for the most part, like I said, copycat, and we're going to get started. So if at any given time you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button right down there. We're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, you guys, so for my ingredients, I used a bag of shrimp. I used some grits. I also used some, obey, salt, pepper, garlic powder, chopped chives, and some butter, cream cheese, of course, and we're getting started. Okay, so I'm going to use probably about 3 ounces of cream cheese, okay, to begin with. And I'm going to season it up with some salt, some pepper, and a tiny bit of garlic, and a tiny bit of onion powder, okay?